Reservations are the foundation of hotel operations. A well-handled reservation ensures smooth guest arrivals, accurate records, and efficient room management. Every detail we confirm in the reservation stage reflects the professionalism of our hotel. This builds trust with the guest even before they arrive. Always answer calls or emails with a polite and professional greeting. Introduce yourself and thank the guest or agent for choosing our hotel. Record the guest's full name, contact number, email, and any company affiliation. Ask the guest if he or she stayed at our hotel before. Accuracy in data entry is critical, as mistakes may cause inconvenience at check-in. Ask for the arrival and departure dates, number of nights, room type, and number of guests. Repeat the information back to the guest to confirm understanding. Check if the guest has any specific requests, such as smoking preference, extra bed, airport pickup, or dietary needs. Note them clearly in the system. Provide the correct room rate, taxes, and any meal inclusions. Clearly explain cancellation policies, no-show charges, and payment conditions. Secure the reservation. Ask for a guarantee method, such as a credit card, company letter, or advance payment. Confirm that the guarantee matches the hotel's policy before finalizing the booking. Share a confirmation number with the guest. If possible, send a written confirmation by email or SMS. A clear confirmation makes the guest feel secure about their booking. Walk-ins are guests who arrive at the hotel without a prior booking. Always welcome them politely, check availability in the system, and offer the best available rate. Remember to follow identification and payment policies strictly, as there is no prior guarantee. Individual bookings are made in advance, usually by the guest directly. Unlike walk-ins, these reservations allow better planning for room allocation and guest preferences. Handling them accurately reduces last-minute stress and maximizes guest satisfaction. Ensure the reservation is entered correctly, with all details, notes, and payment guarantees. Mistakes in the system can affect room availability and guest confidence. On the day of arrival, review reservations to ensure rooms are clean, ready, and all requests are communicated to the relevant departments. Always end a reservation call or email with gratitude, such as, "Thank you for choosing our hotel. We look forward to welcoming you soon." Reservations are more than just recording dates. They are the first step in creating the guest experience. By handling them with accuracy, transparency, and care, we set the stage for a smooth and enjoyable stay. If you found this training helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Hotel Academy for more professional hospitality standards and skills